Hi all, this is Hussain Amreliwala and this is my wife Nafisa Amreliwala. We have been here on 18th of Jan and starting the trip for Kerala, it was planned as we have met our executive from Sukhada World, Dhanashri. We met her and we had scheduled our calls and everything, and we were introduced with this particular package. And this was a best thing which we have did. Visiting the Kerala, we landed at Kochi on time and we were met with our company executive Abdul Nazir sir and our tour guide Mujib sir. He was the best person over which we had got on the entire trip. We landed on Kochi, then we went to Munnar, the Atwoods resort. A very good experience, very good ambience over there, and then we had some adventure sports over there, and then we stayed there two days for particular sightseeing, the tea factories, the Eraviculum National Park, and then we went to the next stop, that was Thekkady, a beautiful hill station, a beautiful place. We went for elephant ride over there, some Kalaripayattu cultural programs, excellent hospitality there as well. And then we went to the LFP, the backwater destination, as we all say, East Venice, the Venice of the East, backwater destination. We stayed on the houseboat. Houseboat ambience was also good and everything was perfect for the stay. And then on time we checked out, and then we are again at here for catching for a flight back to Mumbai. So this is something which is very much fruitful for us. And we also get some complimentary gifts from our executive sir as well, and we're looking forward to more such trips as well. And I also keenly recommend you to take such experiences in your life at least once.